Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 29th of December 2024 and I'll be going over my weekly prediction for gold, XAU, USD. Uh, as usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review, for this video, we'll review 3 weeks ago's predictions since I wasn't able to make videos, and of course this week's prediction as well. But before getting into the video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's just get into the video. So gold has been largely on an uptrend. We can see from the monthly charts for the past year, and just in general as well, gold is known to be an inflation hedge. Therefore, it is typically going to be rising in price. However, not always, of course. MACD very bullish. It has been bullish for a long while, pretty much since March 2023, which has been more than a year and a half. Yeah, that's been around 1.75 years. Similarly, RSI bullish in the long run. However, it has declined in line with the past few candles, but largely bullish. If we move to the weekly charts, again, we can see here something very interesting. We have, largely an uptrend. However, we see that in these recent 4 or 5 candles, we're forming kind of a descending triangle pattern, which typically breaks upwards. However, there is a chance it breaks downwards. And if this happens, then we have an immediate target of the low here, which is actually a resistance over here as well. So it is a good zone to watch out for and set a target for. And then obviously a longer term support we have here to target as well. That's what we get from the weekly charts. Just note that the volume has been declining this whole time, which is negative. So if there is a breakout, we would need it to be on some significant volume. Similarly, MACD is negative and RSI is negative as well. Daily charts, this kind of illustrates it a little bit better. Although we can see it's not exactly a descending triangle, we could even make the argument that this would be kind of more suited to a broadening pattern, if you will. But yeah, on the weekly charts, that's what this looks like. Similarly, volume declining. MACD is negative right now. However, you see during the sideways, it was non-existent pretty much, the difference. However, it was bullish and bearish. Right now, it's negative. However, we can see from the histogram that this gap is decreasing. So that is, again, something to watch out for. RSI is negative, largely similarly in line with the overall price action that we're seeing here, which is also negative. Now let's move to the Excel sheet. This week we will buy gold when it crosses 2668.48 and sell when it falls below 2605 with a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither the target or stop loss is hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly trend is up, while the monthly trend is down. That's all for the monthly trend is up as well. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.